Hello, this is Mr. Takaro again, and here for another video in the Beautiful Math series. So today we're going to be looking at subtraction and the whole concept of borrowing. Before we begin, I just want to go through a few things that I've kind of seen in the past. And the biggest issue that I've noticed is students don't really understand what borrowing is, what it means to borrow, and they don't understand their place value. So some things I've seen is students may try to borrow and they go through the whole borrowing process, but they have no idea what it even means. And in the end, I might see something like this, and they end up getting a 9 in the tens place, and they just make a 10, turn it into a 9, make a 10, turn it into a 9, make a 10, turn it into a 9, because that's what they think they remember. Or they may just start off and crossing everything off and just making it a 9s all the way across or 10s all the way across. They don't really understand what it is they're doing. So let's kind of go through what's actually happening when you subtract. So we know that we are going to start off in the ones place. So I have 1 and I'm trying to take away 3, which I cannot do. So I'm going to move over to the next closest place value to the left, which is my tens place. And I have 2 10s, so I can borrow one of those 10s. Well, I'm going to turn the 10 into 10 ones. And then I can add it to the 1 that is already there to make 11 ones. Now I can subtract 11 ones minus 3 ones to get 8 ones. Then I move over to my tens place. I have 1 10 minus 7 10s. I can't do that. So again, we move over to the place value to the left. Well, there's nothing there. There are no hundreds. So we have to move over another place value to the thousands. So we're going to borrow 1,000 and turn the 1,000 into 10 hundreds. Now I have hundreds that I can borrow from to make more tens. So let's borrow one of those hundreds and turn it into 10 tens and add it to the 1 10 that's already there to make 11 tens. So 11 tens minus 7 tens is 4 tens. 9 hundreds minus 4 hundreds is 5 hundreds, and we have no thousands. So we end up with the answer 548. All right, thank you, and I look forward to making my next video.